Hello students. So today we will discuss class 9 chapter 4 linear equations in two variables. Okay. So what is linear equation? So general form of linear equation is for one variable. Let's see first one variable. Okay. So general form is ax plus b is equal to 0. This ax plus b, this x is variable. Okay. This a is coefficient and this b is any constant term. Okay. So this is general equation for one variable. Let's say 2x plus 3. Okay. So this is what? A linear equation. 4x plus 9 for example. Okay. So this is what? Linear equation in one variable. But in this chapter we have to discuss linear equation in two variables. So general form of linear equations for two variables. So for two variables, general form will be ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here x is a variable 1. Okay. Y is variable 2. C is constant. A is coefficient of x, and this b is coefficient of y. So this is our ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is general equation, general form for linear equation for two variable. Okay, let's see some example. Let's say 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. So this is what? Your linear equation in two variable. So let us see exercise 4.1. Question number 1. The cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. Write a linear equation in two variable to represent the statement. Okay, so here the question is saying the cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. So first of all, let cost of notebook be x, okay, and cost of pen be y. So according to question is saying cost of notebook is twice. Okay, so cost of notebook is twice of cost of pen. It means x is equal to 2 into y. So x minus 2y is equal to 0. So this is in the form of, let's see, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So here what is a? A is 1. What is b? B is minus 2. And what is c? C is 0. Okay. So our answer is this, because we have to only make a linear equations in two variable to represent this statement. I have shown you the coefficient of x, y, okay, and c is a constants. Here there is no constant, so C will be 0. Okay. Now question number second. Question number second. Express the following. Express the following linear equation. Linear equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c in each of case. Okay, so let's see. First question is 2x plus 3y is equal to 9.3 and 5 पे bar. Okay, so first we have to express this in ax plus by plus c. So general form is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So here 2x plus 3y, let's take this side, transfer it this side. So either here it is plus, this side it will give you minus sign. So 3 is equal to 0. So here a is equal to 2. As we compare the coefficient, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to minus 9.35 bar. Okay, let's take another question. Question number 2. X minus y by 5 minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, so we can write it as x minus 1 by 5y minus 10 is equal to 0. Now compare it with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So a value will be 1, b value will be minus 1 by 5 because b is a coefficient of y, and here minus 1 by 5 is a coefficient of y, and c is minus 10. So a, b, c, you got all the values. Okay, let's see fifth question of same part. Fifth question is 2x is equal to minus 5y. So first we have to make it in ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 form. So 2x, transfer it this side, so plus 5y is equal to 0. So we can write this as 2x plus 5y plus 0 is equal to 0. Now compare the coefficient. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to 0. So we get a value 2, b value 5 and c value 0. Okay, let's see one more question. Question number 7. So y minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, y minus 2 is equal to 0. So in ax plus by plus c equal to 0 form, first we will use 0x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. So when we compare the values, a will be 0, b will be 1 and c will be minus 2. Okay, now last question, question number 8 of this exercise. 5 is equal to 2x. Okay, so we have to show it in ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 form. So first of all, 5 minus 2x is equal to 0. Okay, now when we write this in ax plus by form, so minus 2x plus 0y plus 5 is equal to 0. So here a will be minus 2, b will be 0 and c will be 5. Okay, so like this we can find on all the answers. Okay, so thank you.